next song has become Glee's theme song. So we just had to put it in our show this year. It was originally written for Sesame Street and made popular by Big Bird and Cookie Monster and crew. And then Karen Carpenter got a hold of it, and the rest is history. It has a wonderful, wonderful message about finding your passion in life and pursuing it, whether you're good at it or not. If you love to golf, but you're not a great golfer, just golf. If you love to paint, but you're not a great painter, just paint. And if you love to sing, but you're not a great singer, just sing.
Sing a song, sing out loud, sing out strong, sing of good things, not bad, sing of happy, not sad, sing a song, make it simple to last your whole life long. Don't worry that it's not good enough for anyone else to hear. Just sing.